Have you ever scrolled through YouTube and wondered why some videos grab your attention instantly while others just get ignored? Imagine this. You're scrolling late at night, tired, and suddenly one thumbnail stops you dead in your tracks. It's bright, it's bold, and you just have to click. What if I told you that creating thumbnails like that isn't about hours of Photoshop work or being a professional designer? What if I told you that with the power of AI, anyone, yes, anyone, can create thumbnails that not only look amazing but get clicks consistently? Today, on iSide Hustle, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that, step by step, so you can start making thumbnails that grab attention and grow your channel. Before we dive in, hit that like button, make sure you're subscribed, and don't forget to ring the bell because everything we cover here can completely change the way you make content. Let's start with why thumbnails are so powerful. Think of a thumbnail as a movie poster for your video. It's the first thing viewers see and the first thing that convinces them to click. A good thumbnail can literally double or triple your click-through rate. And AI tools now make this process faster, easier, and more creative than ever. Gone are the days of spending hours trying to get the perfect shot, layering text manually, or stressing over colors and fonts. AI takes care of a lot of that for you, letting you focus on what really matters, making your content irresistible. The first AI tool I want to introduce is an image generator. Tools like Midjourney, DALL-E, or Canva-E's AI image generator can take a simple description and turn it into a visually stunning image in seconds. Let's say your video is about 5 AI tools that make money fast. You can type something like futuristic computer desk glowing with neon lights, person looking amazed at holographic screens, cinematic lighting, and instantly get several options for your thumbnail background. The key here is in the prompt. A well-written prompt makes your image look professional, cinematic, and unique. Don't just settle for the first version. Play with adjectives, lighting, and composition. You can try ultra-detailed, cinematic, neon glow, dramatic lighting, or bright, eye-catching, high-contrast, futuristic, depending on your video's mood. Once you have your AI-generated background, it's time to add your main subject. If your video features a person, you can either generate a character using AI or use a real photo. AI tools now can even turn your photo into a more dynamic, stylized version that blends perfectly with the background. This makes the thumbnail pop because it doesn't feel flat or generic. Position your subject in a way that leads the viewer's eye towards the main action or text on your thumbnail. You want a sense of movement and curiosity, something that makes the viewer think, I need to know what happens next. Next, let's talk about text. Text on a thumbnail is not just decoration. It's a powerful hook. You want words that are bold, clear, and easy to read even on small screens. AI can help here too. Tools like Canva or Photoshop's AI features can suggest font combinations, color palettes, and positioning based on your background image. Remember, contrast is everything. White text on a dark background, neon outlines, or shadow effects can make your words jump off the screen. And keep it short. 3 to 5 words max is usually enough. Your text should tease, not tell. Think $200,000 AI secret instead of how to make $200,000 using AI in 1 year. Now here's a little secret that most creators overlook. AI can also help you test your thumbnails before you even upload your video. Some AI tools analyze engagement potential by looking at colors, composition, and even the emotional impact of your design. This is like having a mini focus group before your video goes live. You can quickly see which thumbnail will likely get the most clicks and adjust accordingly. This step alone can save you a lot of guesswork and help you optimize your channel's growth. Let's dive into workflow. Start with your AI image generator and create 3 to 5 potential backgrounds. Then add your subject or character and experiment with poses, expressions, or actions that tell a story. Next, overlay your text using contrasting fonts and colors. Use arrows, circles, or highlights sparingly to draw attention. Finally, analyze with AI engagement tools to pick your winner. This process can take less than 30 minutes once you get the hang of it, and the results look like professional-level thumbnails that could take hours manually. Another cool technique is using AI for variations. Once you generate a thumbnail, ask your AI to make 3-4 variations with slight changes in color, lighting, or text placement. Even subtle changes can affect clicks dramatically. Some creators A/B test thumbnails to see which performs better. AI makes this almost effortless, giving you a huge advantage over traditional manual methods. Don't forget the psychology behind thumbnails. Bright colors, expressive faces, exaggerated reactions, and curiosity-driven text all work together to trigger clicks. AI tools can enhance these elements in ways that look natural and professional. For example, you can use AI to slightly exaggerate a person's expression or add a glow effect around your subject to make them stand out. These small details increase emotional impact and draw attention instantly. Now let's talk about branding. Consistency is key. AI can help you maintain a uniform style across all your thumbnails. Colors, fonts, subject positioning, even background styles. This builds recognition and trust with your audience. When viewers see your thumbnail, they instantly know it's from high-CTR. This kind of visual identity keeps people coming back, increases watch time, and strengthens your channel's overall performance. Sometimes, the best thumbnails are simple. AI can remove distractions, blur backgrounds, or emphasize the subject to make sure the message is clear. Remember, cluttered thumbnails confuse viewers. Your goal is to make them stop scrolling, not think too hard. Keep your thumbnail's main point obvious, bold, and visually appealing. Let's not forget about mobile users. Over 70% of YouTube traffic comes from mobile devices. AI allows you to preview how your thumbnail looks on small screens. You can adjust text size, color contrast, and subject placement to make sure it pops even on a tiny phone screen. This simple step dramatically increases your click-through rate and ensures your thumbnails are effective across all devices. One of the biggest advantages of AI is speed. Imagine having an entire month's worth of thumbnails ready in a few hours. You can batch create, test, and tweak designs without feeling overwhelmed. This not only saves time, but also keeps your content strategy consistent and professional. You can focus more on creating videos while your thumbnails practically design themselves. Now, let's get creative. AI doesn't just do realistic images. It can create stylized, cartoonish, futuristic, or surreal visuals. This is where your imagination can really shine. Want a floating, holographic laptop over a neon cityscape for a tech video? Done. Need a cartoon version of yourself reacting dramatically for a tutorial? Done. The possibilities are endless, and AI makes it easy to execute ideas that would normally require a professional designer. While AI handles most of the heavy lifting, your human touch is still crucial. Always review thumbnails carefully. Make sure the message is clear, the colors are pleasing, and the text is readable. Use your intuition. AI is powerful, but it doesn't always understand context perfectly. A quick human review can catch anything that feels off and make the final image truly click-worthy. Also, keep in mind trends. AI can help analyze popular thumbnails in your niche and suggest styles, compositions, or elements that are currently performing well. You don't want to copy, but learning from what's working gives you a huge advantage. Blend trending styles with your unique brand identity for maximum impact. Before we wrap up, let's talk about tools again. There are free and paid options. Canva, Photor, Photoshop AI, Midjourney, DALL-E, Runway, and many others each have unique strengths. Explore them, find the ones that fit your workflow, and stick with them. Mastering a few tools deeply is better than hopping between 10. So, by now you see that creating thumbnails with AI isn't just easy, it's strategic. It's about speed, creativity, optimization, and understanding your audience. When done right, thumbnails drive clicks, watch time, and channel growth like nothing else. Remember, every thumbnail is a mini advertisement for your video. Treat it seriously, and it pays off. Before we finish, here's a final tip. Engage with your audience visually. Thumbnails that spark curiosity, emotion, or excitement will get people talking in the comments. Combine this with clear calls to action in your videos, and you create a loop of engagement that boosts visibility. Speaking of engagement, drop a comment below with your favorite AI thumbnail tool, and don't forget to share this video with other creators who need a boost. Sharing and commenting helps the community grow and gives your channel an extra push in YouTube's algorithm. So there you have it. Using AI for thumbnails is a game changer. From generating backgrounds, adding subjects, overlaying text, testing variations, optimizing for mobile, maintaining branding, and even analyzing trends, AI makes it faster, easier, and more creative than ever before. Apply these strategies, experiment boldly, and watch how your thumbnails stop the scroll and bring in more viewers. A Side Hustle is here to guide you step by step, and the more you practice, the better you'll get. Now it's your turn. Create, test, and watch your channel grow. Remember, every great video deserves a thumbnail that shines.